Write the equilibrium constant expression for the following reaction. N2 gas plus 3 H2 gases make 2 NH3s. So in this example, we won't be doing any math. We'll just set up the expression, and in the next example, we'll actually solve one. So the K expression takes the form of products on top of the fraction and reactants on the bottom of the fraction. Now, if you have, the way this is set up in general is it looks like there's two products and two reactants. However, it doesn't have to be two. It could be 10, it could be 1, it can be whatever the equation gives us. But just remember that the CD really just means all the products, any of the products that are gases, and the AB just means any of the reactants that are gases. And so you'll notice that in this equation we only have one product, so there should only be one thing on the top. So let's set that up. So on top, I'll put my NH3, and the exponent will be 2, and that 2 comes from the coefficient in the balanced equation, and that's what the little letters in the general expression mean. Just whatever the balanced equation, the number in front of the chemical, that's what the exponent is in this expression. So then on the bottom, we'll have N2 with no exponent, since there's nothing in front of the N2 in the balanced equation, and that will be multiplied by the H2 concentration cubed, since there's a 3 in front of the H2. So what would go in here in this question if we were to solve it mathematically? We would need to know the equilibrium concentrations of each of these three chemicals, and that's what would go in the bracket and get squared or cubed or whatever the exponent asks us to do. But to just set up the expression, we are now finished.